Today I will show you how to make this nostalgic TV effect. Yo, it's Povikas here, and let's begin. Alright guys, so here I have a clip of One and Only from his Stardust music video, and here we can just start doing the effect. So the first thing you need to do to make this nostalgic TV like Nohluhn style effect, I saw this effect from Nohluhn music video. To make this effect you actually need to right click on your clip, press pre-compose, and here we need to press on move all attributes into new composition, and here we can call it like 650 by like 480 and press OK. And now let's press on here, like double press on this pre-composition layer, and here we can go to composition settings, and let's make the width to 650 and the height to 480. That's pretty much what the name was about, you know, 650 x 480. And now let's press OK. And now we can press S on the clip. And here, let's just scale it down so we can see him. I'm actually going to make it, I think, like maybe like 34. Yeah, I guess that can actually work. And now we can just press Ctrl to Y to make a new adjustment layer. And here we can add signal. Now, some of you might know Signal is a paid plugin, so you really need to have it for this effect. But here, what we need to do is I like to make the signal strength to 200. And here I also like to make the cutoff filter a bit higher to 350. Now, look what that actually did. As you can see, like it kind of made these whites pop out a bit more. Like I really like this for the old look. I also like to make the signal amplification here to 0 and the hue noise to 133. And the chroma noise to 0 and the luma noise to 0. And I also like to go to luma modulation, and here I like to turn off tape errors, although we didn't really see them right here, but I just like to do it in case. And I also like to turn off the turn on and off. And here we already have this pretty cool effect, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, let's just keep adding more. And now we can add wave warp. Okay, you don't need any plugins for this, so we're chilling right now. And here we can make the wave type to square, and I like to make the wave height here very low to 0.5. And I like to make wave width to 50, and I like to make the direction to 180. Now what this will basically do, it will do like that little TV thing. Okay, I can actually show you what would happen if we made the wave height a bit higher. Like, look what it basically does. If we play it on, like those cubes, like they drag down, but since we made it to 0.5, like you can barely see the cubes. So I mean, you could technically make it higher and it will still look cool. Like that might actually be a really cool effect. So yeah, you can make it like that as well, but you can make it here to 1 as well. But my favorite is to make it here to just 0.5. And now we gotta add one of my favorite blur effects. It's S blur chroma. I can't leave my house with this effect, you know, I just always use it. And here I like to make the blur chroma to 50 and the blur luminance to 3. Now the blur is basically used to just damage the look more and make it a bit less colorful, but sadly as blur chroma does require the Sapphire plugin, so yeah, you kind of have to have that plugin as well. Yeah, sorry about that. And the last optional effect I guess you can add here is as flicker. Now, you know, old TVs, like, you know, they flicker a lot, so I want to have S flicker here. I like to make the amplitude to 0.3. And yeah, we pretty much have the effect like here. But you might be wondering, okay, how do I use this effect? Like, what? You know, like, how can I just use it? Well, you need to go to main comp. And what you need to do here is press S and just scale it up. I like to scale it up to like, yeah, like somewhere like 225. Yeah, like right there. Like that is exactly like an old TV, you know. An optional thing you can do, which I saw from the Nohluhn music video, which was called Bloodbath. He added like text here. So I like to press Ctrl T or just press on this T button. And here we can type like any text. Like you can type your name here. You can type like TV, I don't know, like 556. Like a TV name. I don't even know if that's like a name. It's just like something random. I kind of like how like text looks when you add it around here, like right there. I'll press P to show you what position this is on. 653. It will just look really cool. Like you can add like a logo here. You can add anything. I'm not gonna lie, like I really like the Nohluhn style, so I definitely think I'll make more tutorials on that style in the future. And also, yeah, I just have to say, like at the moment I am, you know, traveling back to my hometown and other places. That's why like the background is all like messed up and just nothing here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.